This is a Thor News presentation. Thor News presents. It's all about perspective and experience.
Stay cool. Hit the button, baby.
We are V. We have our solar pattern V. Flying V guitar storm. This is just your normal flying V guitar storm with lots of heavy lightning, thunder, and booby clouds. Let's see here, move along. So that one forms and that one forms. Ladies and gentlemen, the Weird Weather Watch has gotten pretty personal, as today was filled with mammary mammatus clouds. The sky looked like a Russ Meyer film. Bastard pussycat, kill, kill, kill. And then, as the sun went down, the storm to the south put on one heck of a show. Or is putting on one heck of a show, I might say. We have been going through storm systems here in Texas all day. Myself and many other people have noticed the mammatus mammo clouds. This storm has been highly unusual in its shape. It's shaped like a flying V guitar, or an arrowhead. It's cutting across Oklahoma and Texas. Right now, below me, Cleburne said multiple tornadoes go through it, causing damage, I imagine. And I'm south of Arlington, Texas, and it has been non-stop lightning and thunder for hours. Now we're just getting the light rain. The majority of the bad weather is still to the south. So this storm is growing. And it hasn't been impressive and just wild. I would swear sometime during the day I saw rainbow colored lightning, which I'd never seen before in my life. Pretty magnificent. So I'll just be trying to cover it lightly, slowly. Watch this thing as it moves through Louisiana, these parts of Texas, and across the nation. Because this thing is nasty. I'm telling you. I've been recording the lightning and the thunder for hours. It'll take me a while to sift through it all and get the best stuff, but you'll see what I'm talking about. It's like Superman 7 around here or something. And the whole storm system, the whole storm system is taking on a flying V guitar arrowhead shape using Oklahoma and Texas as its sides of the arrowhead. The dog's freaking out, of course. dogs sure don't like thunder. I think it's pretty cool. I've caught some of the lightning in a bottle. It'll take me a while to put all the footage together. Today, 'cause I got quite a bit. The lightning show I captured, I think, was pretty non-stop. And the lightning's being real weird. Tornado warning went off. It's pretty exciting. I'd say cool. Hey, you'll hear from me soon. Alright, God bless everyone. It's a crazy weather day. It's a crazy weather day. It's a crazy weather day.